The good thing with Fishbowl is there's 24 million combinations. It's limitless.
My name's Nick, I'm one of the founders of Fishbowl. We were faced with a bit of a problem whilst we were at uni, which was there was nowhere to get healthy food at an affordable price. So we sort of thought there was an opportunity and we landed on a concept which was Asian-inspired salad bar. We opened the first store in the middle of winter in 2016. 23-year-olds, the store was tiny. It kind of felt like walking into a gelato bar where they had mountains of ice cream, but we had mountains of fresh produce. First sunny Saturday in Bondi, we had a line snaking around the corner. Yeah, we kind of looked at each other and were like, shit, we're pretty on here.
Finish with a few sesame seeds. That's basically your bowl. I got a smile because that is a beautiful salad.
Uber's been great for us. So the two most important factors, it's picking up new customers and increasing the frequency of the existing customers. Using Uber Eats and using Uber Ads, for us, has definitely been worth it. We've seen a clear ROI in certain locations and it's just allowed us to make more strategic decisions moving forward.